Alright, we've got a little bit of a different project we're working on today. We've noticed that the rotator has developed a little bit of an oil leak, so upon further inspection, it's been doing this for a little while. You can see there's some oil dripping down there, but we found that the hydraulic tank has been leaking. See, the lines are just all wet, and after we pressure washed it all off here a while back, and found out that the fitting up there, the reducer fitting, is loose. So don't know if it just loosened up over time somehow, but we're gonna have to pull that fitting out, and which means draining all the hydraulic oil out, and have to get up there once we remove the fitting, reseal the threads, and get it put back in, and hopefully get it fixed. So we're gonna get busy. We'll have to there's a different angle. We'll have to get the truck jacked up, and, or I should say, use the outriggers. We'll get it up and in position, and then once we drain the tanks, we're pretty much dead in the water until we get the oil back in and the valve fixed. So we're gonna get busy, and we'll take you guys along for the repair. Okay, we've got it opened up and slid back a little bit so we can get in from both angles. As you can see, it's going to be kind of a tight job. So Tad's working down there, and gotta get the oil drained first, which they put a nice little drain hose down there. It's hard to see, and a shutoff valve. So we're going to drain the oil into 5-gallon buckets, just because that's what's probably going to be the easiest route instead of pumping the tank. But we'll get it drained, and then we'll see if we can get the hoses and the fitting off. Ready? Yep. so we've got to the end of draining the tank. Tad's putting the fitting back in the drain hose, and we've got about, I would say roughly 30 to 35 gallons drained out, which is about what we figured. Maybe a little bit low. Like I said, it's been leaking for a little while, so we'll put a little bit more back in once we refill it. But now we're going to get busy and see if we can get the hose disconnected. So we'll get at it.
All I want is, all I want is one like this, but I need front on. I'd like to have a way back gate in my truck, but I've got so many remotes, and I was gonna bring 5 and 6 in here and get one of these.
I'll figure it out here.
Okay.
Blasted. Oh yes, you are. You want it? Wait. You want to get the oil pan first?
I have it right next to you.
Wasn't too terrible.
Could have been a lot worse.
So if we get inch and a half.
There's something sticking in it.
When's our truck due again? I keep forgetting.
About a month.
End of this month, early next month, or?
I don't know.
October, November. Okay. There's that.
Okay. Oh shoot. Can you turn the valve back off or on?
Yep. Just give me a second.
I get it.
Turn it back off. Turn it back off.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Here.
You ready?
Why is there so much oil? Did it stop?
Mostly. Actually, that was kind of loose too. But I see what you're saying. You're gonna have to get, you know what I mean?
All right.
But I still think it's the.
So there's two switch
Oh,
sets.
you got it. Okay. Throw some Tyler. Tyler needs a raise.
I can get a big press.
Hold on, I got it right here.
I'm saying I can probably.
Nice throw. Here, here's a whole pile of them. Right there. Now you got these two circuit breakers, so how does that work with 4 buttons?
to 15 minutes, we'll have somebody out there. I would say you're probably around 100 plus tacks to get it out to the state. Alrighty, we'll be out there shortly. Yeah, thanks, bye. Here you go out to New Haven to the gas station. Gasoline side. I guess I didn't realize that there was going to be a big filter on that. So we've got the oil drain, now we've got the, what we did not know, filter out, and here's where we think that it was leaking. There's only maybe 2 or 3 threads that were in the tank, so whether it was tight and it worked its way loose somehow, but we're going to get it cleaned up, get some thread compound and tape on it, and see if we can get it to go back together without any leaks. Okay, we've got all of our fittings cleaned off. We've got the tank cleaned out as best we can, so we're gonna get the filter section put back in, then put our pipe thread compound on and get it tightened back up so we can get the rotator back on the road. So we're gonna get busy.
I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit before I get up there.
You just don't want to go too much. Feels like it's sinking it in pretty good there.
Right there. That's where I'm stopping.
I'll take the next one up and put the next one the same place
Got it?
it was before we pulled it off.
How's it feel?
I don't know. I would think it's fine, right? I mean, it feels like they're both in about the same depth, so I would say
Done.
that we're ready to fill it back up, right?
Yep.
All right, we've got it all put back together. The lines are hooked back up, fully functional again. We put a double hose clamp on just for extra added security, and we let it run for probably a good 45 minutes to an hour, and it does not appear to be leaking, so we'll keep an eye on it for the next upcoming days and weeks, but it looks like we have a successful repair. So as always, thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in to the next video.